Good morning students of class 7th. In the previous video, we have discussed the summary of Meadow surprises. In this video, we will take line by line explanation of the poem as meadows have surprises, you can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. Now, meadow means grasslands, velvet, very soft, brook, a small river या stream, unfold. Yes, meadows have many surprises, wonders. There are so many wonders in the grassland. If you look, you can find them. If you look very carefully, you can find them. Walk soft through the velvet grass, velvet soft grass. Now you can walk on the soft grass and you can also listen the sound of the brook, a small river. Now you can see in this look brook rhyming words, surprises grasses, pair of rhyming words. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup, and you can also see in the grassland butterfly looks very beautiful, rest upon a buttercup, a wild plant with yellow cup shaped flower. Butterfly sits there, it seems as if it is taking rest there. And unfold means open, it's drinking straws, the hollow dry sticks used for sucking liquid. Sip, it seems that it was drinking nectar, divine drink from the sip. Now you may scare a rabbit, scare, afraid, frighten a rabbit who is sitting very still, quiet, no movement. As you can see in the picture, you can see a rabbit and you can frighten them. Though at first you may not see him, it was so quiet that you will be unable to see it. But when he hops means jumps, when he jumps, at that time you can observe him. A dandelion, a common yellow flowery plant whose fuzzy head was golden days ago has turned to airy parachutes that flutter, you can blow, flutter, move to the air like birds. And you can see a common yellow flower there, as it was golden days ago, and now because of the air it looked like a umbrella used by the parachute, a device like an umbrella used by airmen that flutter when you blow, it seems as if they are dancing. Explore the meadow surprises, the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, the ant amazing mound. Yes, explore. You can explore, discover. Houses, the burrows, holes in the earth, a nest beneath, under tall grasses. The ants, amazing, surprising. Mound, small pile of earth. If you would explore the meadow houses and the burrows in the ground and the nest under tall grasses, the ants mound looked very surprising. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. There are so many things it can tell you. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. If you will look and listen well, you can discover many wonders in the meadows, and there are many things you have to discover. So students, you are able to understand there are so many rhyming words Rhyme scheme: A B, ground, mound, houses, grasses, and the poet of this poem is Lois Brindet Phillips. So students, I think you are able to understand the poem.